If you can tell time, you can master conditionals. I'll map every if clause to time and reality, so you finally stop guessing. Think of two sliders: time, past, now, future, and reality, real or unreal. Each conditional is simply a position on these sliders. Zero conditional. Zero conditional is for facts and routines. If water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. If I skip breakfast, I feel tired. Whenever X happens, Y always follows. First conditional. First conditional is real, possible, future. If it rains, I'll take an umbrella. You can also use imperatives. If you see John, tell him. Or modals. If it rains, we might cancel. Second conditional. Second conditional is imaginary, now or in the future. If I had more time, I would travel more. And remember the formal phrase, if I were you, it's unlikely or simply not true right now. Third conditional. Third conditional looks back at the past that didn't happen. If I had left earlier, I would have caught the train. It's perfect for regret and analyzing mistakes. Mixed conditionals. Mixed conditionals blend time frames. Past cause, present result. If I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor now. Present cause, past result. If I were more careful, I wouldn't have made that mistake. Variations. Useful connectors make your English richer. Unless means if not. I'll go unless it rains. Even if shows contrast. I'm going even if it rains. As long as or provided that set conditions. You can borrow it as long as you're careful. In case is preventive. Take an umbrella in case it rains. And for formal style, use inversion. Had I known. Were I to win. Should you need help. 3 golden rules. 1. Never use will in the if clause. Say, if it rains, I'll, not if it will rain. 2. When means certain, if means uncertain. 3. Add a comma when the if clause comes first. Okay, it's time for a quick check. Let's practice conditionals together. Question 1. If I be you, I take a break. Answer, we're would take. Why? Because this is the second conditional. We're imagining something unreal in the present or future. If plus past simple, and would plus base verb. Question 2. If she call earlier, we wait for her. Answer, had called / would have waited. This is the third conditional. It's for the past that didn't happen. The structure is if plus had plus past participle and would have plus past participle. Question 3. If it rain tomorrow, we stay home. Answer, rains / will stay. This is the first conditional, real future. Remember, if plus present simple, then will plus base verb. And never put will in the if clause. Question 4. Take an umbrella, it rain later, for prevention. Answer, in case of rains. Here we use in case to talk about precaution. After it, we use the present simple, not will. So, in case it rains. Question 5. Fix the error. If it will rain, we will cancel the trip. Remember, no will in the if clause. How would you rewrite this sentence? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this video really made conditionals clear, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons and drop a comment with your own example sentence.